How can I manage my air navigation services account? To log into your account, visit airnavigation.aero and click on Account, then log in. If you've forgotten your password, click Recover Password and enter the email address linked to your account. You'll receive an email with a link to reset your password and regain access. Once you're logged in, go to My Account, then Profile. Select Edit to update your personal information or notification preferences, and click Save to apply the changes. On the Profile page, you can also change your password or the email address associated with your account. In the Devices section below, you'll see a list of devices connected to your account. Our subscriptions allow up to 3 devices. You can revoke devices you no longer have access to from here. If you need personal assistance, feel free to contact us at support@airnavigation.aero.